Hello viewers, this is the Thigiru Engineering and Technology Coaching. I normally teach enthusiasts as well as technicians on various engineering parameters that help in acquiring vital skills for their specific fields of expertise. These include production and manufacturing, a business setup, business elevation, innovation and technical problem solving. These are skills that my platform has acquired over time. Hundreds of technicians have used the Thigiru Engineering and Technology Coaching platform and are now making millions in their businesses by solving technical and engineering challenges, thereby achieving customers' trust. Other experts have ended up being highly paid for the unique solutions that they offer to the companies that hire them. You can also join our platform by writing to us stating the specific field that you'd want to enroll for coaching. Part of our coaching, especially theory, can be done virtually with just 2 coaching sessions per week and each session running for 40 minutes. It's easy for you to fit our coaching into your busy weekly schedules. Here we were preparing a diesel genset, 12 KVA that had broke its engine alternator linking plate. We didn't bother looking for the part from the shops or online since we could fabricate it ourselves. It's much cheaper that way. The cost of buying the plate and cutting it on lathe, then boring holes did cost us less than $20. The servicing took less than an hour and we had the unit run back again perfectly. Mostly mechanical systems are easy to fix, especially if you know what you're doing, and especially with these people that I'll be working with, they are now conversant with these modules in mechanics. We've got a platform that is very open, that ensures that we improve the skills in mechanics. Most of these generators are usually bought having been used elsewhere. They are used overseas, then to Africa, and most of them are usually abandoned as a result of breakdowns. So you'll never expect to have 100% working generator once you buy it from the second-hand dealers. Initially, one of our technicians suggested that we could quickly solve for the broken linking plate through the gas welding. Of course, gas welding was useful in fixing together the aluminium casing that broke during the system's failure. The welding of this plate together wasn't a good idea, as it's difficult to set it back to the true center. When fixing the plate back, the alternator would wobble, creating more vibrations which would be costly on fuels and eventually would cost the client on future major repairs. This is a common problem to many technicians. They take an easy way out when it comes to a problem solving, which ends up in costing their customers. The customers, through past frustrations, try to avoid similar businesses, which eventually runs dry. We wouldn't want to coach our technicians through this path. For shortcut is normally a wrong route.